Hey, we're back here at Mummert Y Block today, and it's been a while. We've been pretty busy, been making a lot of intake manifolds, single planes, dual planes, making heads. Just been hectic, but it's been hot. But we're here today, and we want to talk to you about putting car water pumps on trucks. Truck water pumps aren't available. They haven't been available in a while, and it's been kind of a problem, so what we've done is we've come up with a new product, and it allows you to convert a car water pump to the correct specs to install it on a truck. So the car water pumps start out with a smaller register, and from the flange for the pulley to the gasket surface is shorter. The truck pump's over here. It's got the bigger 3/4 register, and then it's taller from the gasket surface to the pulley flange. So this handy dandy spacer allows you to get it correct. Because this pump's new, it's readily available. These pumps aren't. They're obviously obsolete and unattainable. The only thing you can do is rebuild them. So you have to find a rebuilder, you have to find a rebuild kit, you got to ship them off, do all that stuff. So with this setup here, you can get a new pump and get it corrected to fit on your 56 and later Ford truck. And these are going to retail for about 50 bucks. And it's a one-time purchase. You know, if you install a water pump on your truck and it goes bad one day, you just remove this, get your new pump, and go ahead and install it on your new car pump and keep going. We're going to supply them with new bolts. So when you order, you'll want to go ahead and you'll want to get us the original bolt length you have. There were a couple different bolt lengths from 56 to 64. So we'll need to know the correct bolt length. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps some of you truck guys out. Never be afraid to go to FordYBlock.com or tell all your friends about the good Y Block stuff we got going on here. Anyway, have a good day. Happy Y blocking from John and Jeff. See ya.